Okay.
I am coming.
I'm coming.
I coming from Sweden.
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 By.
By Baltic Sea to Poland.
Okay.
From Poland in
From Poland to
from Poland to Slovakia.
Slovakia.
Оттуда как будет?
From Slovakia.
From Slovakia to Czech Republic on pink plane and to
On pink plane to you fly to
pink plane to fly во Францию to France from France to Germany from Germany
You sailed?
я плыву
You sailed?
I sail Atlantic Ocean Atlantic Ocean and to Ireland.
Правильно прочитай.
Island.
Так, смотрите. On a plane, можно сказать, на самолете. Это будет прямо, да, вот на самолете. Вы не в нем, а на самолете. Лучше сказать by plane. Okay, well done, Ahmed. And it would be better if you kept your hand off your face. What did I say, Islam? Translate.
Было бы неплохо, если бы ты не закрывал.
Okay, now your turn, Islam.
I exchange Austria with Scotland.
Okay, and tell us about your trip.
Let me show you what I've done.
Okay.
I start from Iceland.
Are you win?
Okay.
Yes.
Repeat that. Are you win? Это ты неправильно сказал.
Do you win?
А в прошедшем времени? А в прошедшем времени?
Are you won?
Did you win?
Нет, are you won? Это тебя победили был.
Okay, did you win?
Да, did you win? Yes, he did. Okay. Actually, Islam didn't win. He just finished his itinerary. Okay. You started from Iceland.
From Iceland, I sailed to Denmark.
Wait a second. Where is Iceland?
Oh.
In what region? In
There's a
Yes.
west
northwest of
northwest of Atlantic Ocean.
no
No,
of Europe.
of Europe.
Okay, but it is northeast of Atlantic Ocean. Это северо-восток Атлантического океана, но это северо-запад Европы. Okay, so from Iceland you sailed to Denmark.
Yeah, from Denmark I sailed to Russia
Via
Baltic Sea.
Okay.
From Russia I go to Finland.
Okay.
From Finland I go to Russia once again.
Okay.
From Russia I go to Norway. From Norway I sail via Atlantic Ocean to Scotland.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so did you go to Scotland or to Scotland Yard? Okay, now Amina, tell us about your plans. How did you want to travel?
My plans.
Plan.
My plan was that.
Okay, you planned to start from.
I planned to start.
Смотри, plane это самолет.
Okay,
Plane. А plan?
Planned. Okay.
Okay, you plan to start.
I plan to start from Belarus, and then
You wanted to go
I wanted to go Ukraine.
to Ukraine.
I wanted to go to Moldova. When from Moldova, I wanted to go Romania.
Romania. Where is Romania?
Romania is here.
Okay, what region is this?
Is okay.
Восточная Европа.
East.
East Europe.
East East Europe.
Eastern Europe.
Eastern Europe, okay.
Europe. Then
Then
I needed
you needed,
Bulgaria, maybe, or Serbia,
okay.
and
Okay,
say,
okay, you needed to get where?
to get
To Mediterranean Sea.
no,
You see? Look, you wanted to travel,
to travel.
so you needed to get from Romania to Mediterranean Sea, yes?
Yes,
Okay.
for it I needed Serbia. Yes,
Yes, so some other countries, okay?
yes.
But okay, well, once you get to Mediterranean Sea, where did you want to go?
From Croatia through Mediterranean Sea,
Why?
Uh-huh.
maybe
Okay.
in Italy.
Okay.
From Italy,
But yeah, you look. You have 4 Mediterranean countries. Name them, please.
Italy,
Italy, Bosnia and Herzegovina,
and Croatia.
Croatia, and Spain also. 4. Okay.
Spain. Yes, Spain.
Yes, but you didn't manage them, arrange them. Yeah, that's okay. Next time. Thank you very much. This was a nice game. Ahmad, thank you.
You're welcome.